Hey everybody, and welcome to the best class of the year. In this class, we're going to learn how to make an in the hoop key fob. Actually, we're going to make two. There's a bonus in this class. We're going to go over so many tools. We're going to start with the 3 stitches, the single, the triple stitch or the bean stitch, and a back stitch, and look at the difference in both and why, which one is going to work for this and why. We're going to use the circle tool. We're going to center everything. We're going to make absolutely one-of-a-kind, beautiful designs. There's no two snowflakes alike. We're going to also play around with motif stitches and a lot of detail work in this class. Many tools, read the description, many designs, and again, we're going to add in a bonus of a whole new keychain design that you're going to love. Join us for class.